Introducing the 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.